Homesteading with Nene here. We are from Southern Illinois and they are calling for some major storms today. It is just now starting to snow a little bit. So we will be checking back with you in a little while. All right, the snow's still coming. There goes my husband trying to get the vehicles inside. They're calling anywhere from 6 to 8 to who knows how many inches. Nobody really knows. I will keep you posted. I am one of them girls that loves the snow. I don't want no one hurt, and I don't want no power outages though. Stay tuned for more snow. Okay friends, it's been snowing for about an hour and a half now, and as you can see, the ground is starting to get white. It sure is pretty. I will keep you informed. Okay, it's still coming down. The ground's about to get covered. I can hear the birds singing. They're going to be searching for food here in a while. Decided to give you a view of the backyard. I don't know how well you can see it. It's below 0 temperatures, I think, so. There's a nice fire in the wood burner. Chickens are all in. The goat was out for a minute now. He's back in his house. It sure is pretty out here, but very cold. So pretty. Good morning, everyone. The snow is still coming down. Our neighbor has done a little blading of the driveway. Here comes my husband. He went down to check to see if the main roads was clear. We yet still have to go over to the farm, which is about 10 miles from here, to feed the cows. So let's see how things are going over there. Well, folks, the storm has finally come to an end. Everything's white and pretty out here on the homestead. We've been down the driveway a few times, feeding our animals over at the farm. I can hear the birds, and the sun's shining beautifully, but it is very cold. -2 this morning when we got up, and I think it's about 7 now. So this is the major storm that so many people were talking about. Looks like it's going to be here for a while. Thanks for watching.